Yorobol na nyo nga sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 7 ng mga vocabs na minimorize ko dati nung ako'y nag-exam. Lahat ng vocabs na ito ay galing sa book 1, sort out from book 1. At talagang lahat ng ito ay na-memorize ko dati nung ako'y nag-exam. Tungtung hada, to be fat. Tuyo danida, to run around. Lamyon, instant noodles. Lugo out, log out. Login, log in. Lenso, conditioner. Maulbuso, shuttle bus, in town. Machong nagada, to come, to meet someone. Mato, mart. Manta, to be many. Manni, mini, much, a lot. Mal, horse. Malsyum hasida, to say. Makta, to be clear. Mad, test. Matupta, not to be tasty. Mashida, to be delicious. Majunpyon, across the street. Mikcho, beer. Mipda, to be spicy. Mori, head. Munjirul tulda, to clear dust away. Mulda, to be far. Moshida, to be cold. Minyo, mino. Minyupan, minyo. Miluyungwa, romantic movie. Mundogi, shiver. Momil, black with noodles. Mocha, cup, hat. Mok, neck. Mokdori, scarf. Changkap, gloves. Changso, places. Changul Buddha, to go grocery shopping. Changwa, rainbows. Chimiupta, not to be interesting. Chimiitda, to be interesting. Choge, over there. Chonyok, evening. Chonyugul mukta, to have dinner. Chori olyunutta, to place something on the scales. Chill, the most, the best. Chunwa, telephone. Chunwaga uda, the phone is ringing. Chunwarul kulda, to make a call. Chunwarul kunta, to hang up the phone. Chunwarul bakuda, to transfer to someone else. Chunwarul batta, to answer the phone. Chunwarul chalmut kulta, to call the wrong number. Chunwahada, to call. Chunwa tungahada, to be on the phone. Chul, temple. Chumsim, noon. Chumsimol mukta, to have lunch. Chumwon, clerk. Chupkun kumji, no approach. Chutkarak, chopsticks. Chungdun dweo itta, to be well arranged. Chungnihada, to clean up. Chungmal, really. Chungzang, sots. Chongyong wikwa, orthopedic clinic. Chokom, few, a little.